Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Hey, what we got for sale today is a 1997 25 horse long shaft. This is a remote. I cannot make it a tiller. I just don't have the parts to be able to do that. So this one will be sold with the prop. It'll come with a good use control box, which should be this one we're running it with right now. Came back with 100 PSI on both cylinders. New spark plugs, new impeller, new lower unit lube, lower unit pressure tested good, and then the carburetors were cleaned. We'll go ahead and fire this one up here. Give it a second here to start pumping water. Go ahead and put it forward. Back to neutral, reverse, back to neutral, shut it off, fire it back up. Shut the fan off here. This is a freshwater Minnesota motor, never seen salt water. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.